Maui's Island Music Station, Native925. It is the Bankroll Blizzard! Brother John Tevis! Congratulations, Hawaiian! Bro, what song you sing?
Frosty the Snowman.
Sing them for us a little bit. And Omoro! How are you feeling right now, sir?
Excited.
Go for it. Out the sky, 20 seconds on. 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's our time. A big... It's get going. Everybody in the Bankroll Blizzard. Are you ready, my brother?
Oh, I was born ready. I've been ready this whole time.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la.
This man. This man. One. Let's go. Oh, brother. You look like you right now. Come on, people. You got it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's the time. Hands up, my brother. Get him out of here. Get him out of here.
Oh, cousin.
Dennis Suihisa, are you ready to jump in the Bankroll Blizzard?
Oh yeah! Red money.
How does it feel right now to be in there? Like
Plenty pressure.
plenty pressure. All right. Checking out the sky. Dennis Suihisa. This is awesome. He's going to win the future. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Stop. Put that down. Put that down. No, oh, take that out. There you go. Sky. Wow. Sorry. Wow. Sorry, I didn't mean to scold you like that, Dennis. Michelle Tugaga is in the house!
I sang Jingle Bell Rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells bound and jingle bell time.
Jingle Bell time.
Jingle Bell Square in across the air.
Okay. Did you imagine yourself being in here at all?
No, I did not.
20 seconds. Whatever is out of the sky. Only one. Remember, it has to go inside of the stocking shell. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's your time. Right on, Michelle. Wow, yeah. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. 50-50 is 260. 50-50, 360. Michelle Tugaga! Tell everybody what radio station Justin hooked you up.
Native925, baby. Choo!
And to each and every one, mahalo.